fix error for C. Samsung Dishwasher. The reason for error for C in Samsung dishwashers is a problem with the incoming water. Most often there is a non-working valve on the aquastop hose. First, open side panels. The white one hose its intake need to be replaced. Release this bracket. There you will see the cables, connections. They are for the valve. Release the hose and replace with new one. Now all work just fine.